If Google Chrome has started feeling slow on your PC, freezing up, lagging between tabs, or just taking longer than it should to load pages, this video is going to help. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to boost Google Chrome performance on PC using a few simple steps that can make a real difference. We'll go from the quickest fixes to the more effective performance settings. So by the end, Chrome should feel faster, smoother, and more responsive. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more helpful tech guides, and let's get into it. Step 1 is to restart Google Chrome. This might sound basic, but it's one of the fastest ways to clear temporary memory usage and shut down background tasks that may be slowing things down. First, close Google Chrome completely. If needed, make sure every Chrome window is closed so the browser is not still running in the background. Then open Chrome again and see if it feels any quicker. Sometimes just restarting the browser can immediately improve performance, especially if you've had it open for a long time or you've got lots of tabs in use. Next, restart your PC. This is another simple step, but it can help a lot more than people think. Over time, Windows can build up temporary memory usage and background processes that affect browser speed. To do this, click the Start menu, then click Power and choose Restart. Once your computer boots back up, open Chrome again and test it. A fresh system restart gives Windows a clean start and can improve overall browser performance, especially if your PC has been running for days without a restart. Now, let's move on to one of the biggest causes of slow Chrome performance: extensions. Extensions can be useful, but too many of them can slow the browser down significantly, use extra memory, and sometimes even interfere with page loading. Open Chrome, click the three dots menu in the top right, go to Extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. Here, look through the list carefully and disable or remove any extensions you no longer use. If you see anything you installed a long time ago and forgot about, this is the perfect time to clean it up. The fewer unnecessary extensions you have, the lighter Chrome will run. After that, turn on Memory Saver. This is a built-in Chrome feature designed to reduce memory usage from inactive tabs, which can be a huge help if you like keeping lots of pages open at once. To find it, click the three dots, go to Settings, and then look in the left menu for Performance. Inside Performance, turn on Memory Saver. Once enabled, Chrome will reduce the resources used by tabs you're not actively using, helping your browser stay fast while you work, browse, or stream. This is especially useful on PCs with limited RAM or when multitasking heavily. The next step is to enable hardware acceleration. This setting allows Chrome to use your computer's graphics hardware more efficiently, which can improve video playback, scrolling, animations, and overall responsiveness. To do this, go back into Settings, then open System. Find the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available and switch it on. After that, click Relaunch so Chrome can apply the change properly. If you've ever noticed Chrome feeling sluggish during video playback or when moving between tabs, this setting can make a noticeable improvement. Now, it's time to clear the Chrome cache. Over time, cached images, files, and browsing data can build up and sometimes start causing slowdowns or loading issues. To clear it, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. A Delete Browsing Data window will open. Make sure you select cached images and files. You can also choose cookies and other site data if you want a deeper refresh, but keep in mind that this may sign you out of some websites. Once you've selected what you want to remove, click Delete Data. Clearing old cache can help Chrome load websites more cleanly and improve browser speed. Finally, update Google Chrome. Using the latest version is important because updates often include speed improvements, bug fixes, and security enhancements. To check for updates, click the three dots menu, go to Help, and then click About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates on this page. If an update is available, let it install and then click Relaunch when prompted. Keeping Chrome updated is one of the easiest ways to make sure you're getting the best performance possible. So, to quickly recap, if you want to boost Google Chrome performance on PC, restart Chrome, restart your computer, disable unused extensions, turn on Memory Saver, enable hardware acceleration, clear the cache, and keep Chrome updated. These steps are simple, but together they can make Chrome feel much faster and more stable. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more PC tips and browser tutorials, and comment below if you want more Chrome optimization videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.